Hello guys, this is a new video about iPhone 7, newly launched, black color. Yeah, see that? Its main units are iPhone. We all know that. Earpods, lightning connector, lightning to headphone jack adapter, lightning to USB cable, USB power, GSM units, LTE, FDD, cellular technologies, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS. All these are that we certainly know that about that. You can see that, yeah. Let's just unbox this Epic phone from the Epic company. Oh, so much delicate, yeah. Yeah, should we rather keep it in the shelf? Yeah, so much nice. Quick starter cable. Let's see what it is. Quick starter, yeah. Some manuals, some stickers from Apple. Basic functions, how to turn it on and other things. USB adapter, Asian. Let's see other things. Oh, a nice, yeah.
Let me check.
Yeah, nice. Let's see this. Yeah, this one. First, let's see this cable. It's a lightning cable, as we all know. Let's see the earphones now, as it got a bit of change from the regular ones. Oh, what that? What's it doing, man? Yeah. Oh, wait. What a time. Let's see this phone. Sticker is on. Let's remove this delicate sticker. Oh, so much delicate. It's a matte black color. So nice, yeah. Yeah, so much delicate, shiny. Yeah. Let's see this. Yeah, opened. It's for the old headphone jack, which you can make the new headphones, because it has a lightning conductor, no headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack, as Apple has sprayed it off. As the headphones are scrapped off, speakers are accelerated, or there are more speakers in it, yeah. LED flashes brightened, and the camera is also got a exposure. Thank you.